अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। या रब्बी लकल हम्दु कमा यंबगी ली जलाली वजहिका व अज़ीम सुल्तानिक। अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बना लकल हम्दु बिमा खलक़तना व रज़क़तना व हदैतना व फ़र्रजता अन्ना। अल्लाहुम्मा लकल हम्दु बिल इस्लाम व लकल हम्दु बिल ईमान व लकल हम्दु बिल कुरआन। अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। रब्बना ज़िदना इल्मा। अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क्किहना फ़िद्दीन। अल्लाहुम्मा इन्ना नसअलुका इल्मन नाफ़िअन व अमलन मुतक़ब्बलन व रिज़्क़न तय्यिबा। अल्लाहुम्मा सब्बितना इंदल मौती बिला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह। आमीन या रब्बल आलमीन। रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर। अल्लाहुम्मा जअल अमलना कुल्लहु सालिहन वजअलहु लिवजहिका खालिसन वला तजअल लि अहदिन फीही शैया। आमीन या रब्बल आलमीन. So we are going to go through this ayah. I'm gonna ask you so I can see your understanding. You will see lot of many pronouns over here. So you are going to explain me what pronoun do you see. So we're gonna take few words at a time and we're gonna break it down and then inshallah we're gonna go to our new lesson. So who gonna start? The first word is wattaba'u. Do we see any pronoun in there?
Yes, ittaba'u wawul jama.
Wawul jama. Okay, and what kind of word is that?
Felun madi
Hmm.
and marfu hai na? Felun marfi marfu and fa'iluhu zamir muttasil.
Not marfu, apa. We are talking about fail madi, right?
Yeah,
So
felun madi mabni.
mabni, yes.
Yeah,
So
felun
fail
madi mabni
madin mabni.
mabni.
Okay, now mabni can be like a different way to be for fail madi to be mabni, right? It could be mabni with sukoon, right? It could be mabni with dhamma, right? So
Yeah,
which reason is over here?
so, ala damma.
Dhamma. So failun
Felun madi mabni um,
ala dhamma.
ala damma and fa'iluhu wawul jama. Zamir muttasil bariz wawul jama.
Mhm.
तकदीर रूबी से तकदीरुहु हुआ.
Not takdiruhu only when it is hidden.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay. So just we're gonna say
And we have, do we have to say fi mahalli rafatu?
yeah, when we are describing our vowel jama as a file, then we're gonna say it. So this is I'm gonna write one time only. So this is how we are going to say. We're gonna say felun
Madi
and then mabniyun.
aladam.
And mabniyun you gonna say li ittisalihi. Why it is like how it is mabni? Because there are different forms of it, right? So li ittisali, what has been attached to it?
Wawul jama.
Yeah, so li ittisalihi
Wawul.
wawul jama, right? So this is we're gonna say about fail. Now comes file, right? So for file we're gonna say
We don't say damma.
mabni ala damma. Yeah, we can say yeah. Actually, we need to after mabni. So failun madin mabni ala damma. We're gonna say mabni ala damma, and then we can say li ittisalihi wawul jama, right?
Yeah.
I'm giving you the whole version, right? So but you can like whatever is more comfortable, you guys can stick to it. Okay, now the file is what? Filun.
Fa'iluhu hum. Wawul
Filun.
jama. Wawul jama.
Yes, Wawul Jama.
And Zamir Muttasil Barish.
Very good. This Wawul Jama is the Mir Muttasil and it is Baris. And now we can say Fi Mahalli
Rafa.
Rafa file.
لأنه فاعل أستاذ जो last time आपने बताया था.
Yeah, you can say Liannahu file.
Okay.
Right? Fi Mahalli Rafa. Right, so there are many different ways to say it, but the whole point is you are kind of describing everything, and even if you are not saying it, but you should know what's going on, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was wattaba'u. Barakallah fiki apa. Okay, now next one, ma tatlu. What is tatlu?
You want me to tell you?
Someone else can take it.
Somebody else?
We are going to take turn. Yeah.
It's a fail. And
what kind of fail?
Ma not tatlu is recited, like it's a fail mazi. No. It's a fail mudare. Yatlu.
Yes.
Exactly. So
because root letter are ta, lam, and waw or ya, right?
Wow. Yes.
So we see ta over here.
So it's lamat mudare.
That is mudare. Okay. So now, so failun mudariun. And now, can we say failun mudari mabni?
No. It's not mabni.
So what we gonna say? Is it marfu, mansoob, or majzoom here?
It is a majzoom here.
Okay, look after it. What do you see after? Ash-shayatinu.
Outside door.
So that means it could be huwa here, right?
Yes.
So which one is it, huwa or here?
Here.
It's
here.
Because huwa cannot be with ta.
It would be yatlu.
Yes. Right? And why you are getting confused? Because this is not a regular verb. Right? This is tala.
Yatlu.
Tala we can write with alif, or it could I think it could be tala like that as well, or talawa, ta, lam, and waw, because tilawa is also from that same word, right? And in tilawa we clearly see waw. So it is the ta, lam, wa, talawa, but then it for the ease it became tala. Tala becomes yatlu. And in Mudariya, we are always going to see what extra letter, because alif is never a root letter, right? So in Mudariya, this alif, if we see any alif, it will come as a root letter, like a waw or ya. Alif is never a root letter. Either it's gonna be waw or ya. And when we are gonna turn that into Mudariya, we will see, is it waw or ya? So now tala becomes yatlu, right? Yatlu. Now this waw, right, that can be deceiving. We're gonna think, okay, this is wawul jama, right? But we should know that sometimes there is going to be this waw is the part of root letter. So this is waw asliya. Do we remember the difference between waw asliya and then wawul farika? Like we see alifu farika comes.
Yes.
So alifu farika is over here in the right way, but I think this is a mistake over here. It should not be any alif over here. Okay.
They usually have it in the Musaf, Ustada.
In with hiya as well?
Yeah, it usually comes with the alif.
Ustada, I think it is plural, right?
No, it's not plural. Shayateen is the outside doer, because even the translation is helping us, and they followed instead what the devils had recited. So who are the doer? Shayateen.
So devils, right?
Huh?
Shayateen is plural here.
Yeah, it's a broken plural. That's why hiya is being used. This tatlu is hiya. Okay. So this is, I don't know. You always see hiya. I didn't notice that after hiya even they have this waw.
Let me double check, Ustada.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, so this is what
Yes, wow, alif is coming. Tatlu, after tatlu too. Right?
So then this alif is not alifu farika. Alifu farika only come with the wawul jama. I don't know. I didn't notice that. Okay, so this is here. No doubt about it. Because shayateen is a broken plural, right? And tatlu, hiya version of fail mudariya is coming over here. So what we were talking about then. So yeah, this is waw asliya over here.
Excuse me, Ustaza.
Yeah.
If general word is yatlu, wow has dhamma, wow has one dhamma, but for ma is delete and sukun, right?
Ma?
For ma is makjum. Wow is now why is makjum?
No. This ma is ma of negation, ma nafiya. It's not ma shartiya.
Ma shortiya?
No,
Oh,
it's
not. Not change the fail. Not change the fail.
Yeah, ma nafiya does not.
Yeah.
So ma nafiya is ghair amila when it comes with the fail.
Fine, yes.
Yeah. So this is ma nafiya. It's not ma shartiya. Okay. So anyway, now shayateen. What do we know about this word? Can someone explain? What are the root letters and what kind of word is it? Is it ism, fail, harf? Explain me everything.
It's a noun. The root letters are sheen, ta, and noon. And it's a jama mukassar, like broken plural. And ism and a broken plural.
Okay, so now.
And it's tina is either a nasab form or a majroor form.
We're not gonna say now nasab or majroor. Okay, but how you can say this
It's ismu.
It is marfu. It is a file we were just talking about.
The star shaitana is marfu.
It is mafailu. What's an ustada? Mafailu.
This is shayateen. No. Okay, it's a broken plural. Okay. So do not confuse it with the una ina.
Okay.
Una ina. It's not a combination. You just said broken plural, jama mukassar, right?
Yes.
So if you are saying jama mukassar, then why you are looking at this ya noon?
Yes.
Are we supposed to look at una ina ending with the broken plural?
No, we treat it as a mufrid.
Yeah. Okay, so this ya should not deceive you.
Okay, Jazakallah.
Yeah, so this is a broken plural, and broken plural it's like mufrid, right? So they are ending with dhamma is rafa, right? And yes. Then if they are partly, then only dhamma and fatha they're gonna take, no kasra. right? And if they are fully, then they can even take a kasra. But with the al, when an ism has al on it, then they become fully flexible. Even though they are partly, they will become fully.
Yes.
Right? So with al, it's gonna start taking kasra. Okay, so shaitan is singular. What is the dual form? What could be the dual form of shaitan?
Shaitani.
No, shaitan is
Shayatin. Shayatin.
that is plural. I'm saying dual.
Nani. Shayatanani.
Yes. Shaitan, no, is singular. Now, if we are making it dual, two shaitan, what we're gonna do?
Shaitanani.
Yes, we need to add alif noon, right? And then it will change into fatha because of alif. So shaitanani will dual. Right? And what is the plural?
Shaitanuna.
Shayatinu.
Yeah, shayateen is the broken plural it has. Okay? So then shayateen would be the broken plural of it. We should not be forgetting our previous knowledge, huh? Okay, so now, ala mulki Sulaiman. What kind of word is Sulaiman? What
Ghair munsarif, partly flexible.
exactly? What is the Rafa version? 1% at a time. So what is the Rafa version of it? Is someone okay? Who gonna answer me next?
I can, Ustaza.
Okay. So Sulaiman, explain me what kind of word is it, and what is the Rafa version? What is the Banjar version?
It is dictated noun. Is Rafa is Sulaimanu. And Kasra is Sulaimana.
Very good. Okay. It is ending on alif noon, right?
Yes.
Like Numan, right? Numanu or Numana. Yes. Never Numani. So when it is with the name, then it is Mamnu min as-sarf, meaning this is partly flexible, but not all of them. Example is when we say Furqan in Quran Pak. Furqanun is fully flexible. Okay. So when it comes with a name, then it is partly Mamnu min as-sarf.
Does not take tanween, Ustaza. It does not take tanween also. Yeah,
but yeah, tanween and no kasra. But when it is other word, right? Like in Quran Pak, you will see Furqan, and it is fully flexible. So not every an gonna be partly flexible. We need to remember that. Okay, so then moving on, this is Wama Kafara. So what about Kafara?
Kafara is a next?
Nahi, negative. Ma Kafara. Nahi kupar kya Sulaiman ne. Na nafiya. Ma nafiya. Kafara is spelled Madi Mabni ala Fatha. Fa'iluhu Damir Baris. Mustatir.
Damir Baris.
Mustatir. Sorry, Mustatir. Damir Mustatir. हुआ तकदीरु हुआ लेकिन यहाँ पर है आउटसाइड डोर फाइलुहु सुलेमान.
Yeah, very good. So now
Ustaza, fa'iluhu mawjudun.
Yeah, fa'ilun mawjood. So we're not gonna say over here everything, right? Rather, we're gonna just say fi'lun madin mabni ala fatha, right? We're gonna stop here, and then for file, we're gonna say that this is Sulaimanu is the file for kafara. Okay. Walakinna shayatina. What's going on over here? What kind of construction we see here?
حرف of ناصبة لكن الشياطين اسم لكن.
Very good. Perfect. Okay, what about kafaru? Do we see any pronoun? Someone else need to come now. Kafaru. Do we see any kind of pronoun here?
Wawul jama.
What kind of pronoun is there? Is it?
Home.
Okay, when I say what kind of pronoun?
Mustatir.
Baris.
Who is saying mustatir?
Baris, it's baris.
Zamir muttasil barish.
Muttasil.
Okay, no, someone said mustatir, right? So I wanna clear their understanding. So who was that?
Yeah, by mistake I said instead of muttasil I said mustatir. Yeah, sorry.
Okay, but you are clear, right? Between
Yeah. Yes, my bad. Yeah.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, so now kafaru. Someone need to explain properly. So fail, file, everything. Yeah, go ahead. Marine, you wanna do it?
فعل ماضي مبني فعل ماضي مبني
Okay, when we say mabni for a fail, we are talking about fails, right? So our fail is kaf, fa, and ra. This is our fail because this is a file.
Yeah.
Right? So when you are saying mabni, exactly. So
مبني على ضمة لاتصاله واو الجمع
liittisalihi, because we are saying li, li is her future.
Yeah.
Right? So liittisalihi wawul jama.
Wawul jama. And zamir muttasil baris.
Very good.
Muttasil baris and fi mahalli rafa.
Perfect. See?
And failuhu is home.
Very good. Barakallah fiki. Beautiful. Beautiful, right? So this is how you're gonna say, and never get confused when you are talking about fail, madi, or in mudariya, you're gonna say marfu. So we need to stick to the 3 root letter or whatever letters are there, right? So ignore the file at that time because you are not describing file there, right? So in madi, when you are talking about, you're gonna just look at the 3 root letters and you're gonna see what haraka it is carrying in fail madi. So that's gonna be the mabni of that fail, right? Okay. Next one, yu'allimuna. Next person. Quickly, do we see any pronoun here?
Fi'lu mudariun marfun. Wawul jamati.
No, marfun. What is your proof?
Bi dhamma bi wow.
No.
Bi marfu bi dhamma zahira.
No.
Marfu
mansub
nuni. Bi subutun nuni.
Yeah. So marfu mansub and majzoom. When we say marfu mansub or majzoom, that gonna be either presence of noon or absent of noon, right? So presence of noon gonna make it marfu and absent of it gonna make it mansub or majzoom. Okay.
Yes.
So basically their status, you're gonna look by the noon. The noon, that's why we call it nunul i'rab, right? So fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bi sabuti noon. Okay, next.
Fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bi sabuti nuni. Fa'iluhu wawul jamati.
Very good. Fa'il wawul jama.
Jamati domirun muttasilun mabni ala sukun fi mahalli rafi.
Very good. So even when we are describing our file, this waw is the file, and this is damir, muttasil and bariz, right?
Bariz.
Damir muttasil, bariz, and this is wawul jama. And even if we are describing this file, right? So what haraka it is carrying?
Marfu, dhamma.
This waw has dhamma?
No, here is a sukun.
Sukun.
Here is sukun, Ustaza.
Yes, so we are talking about file now. Where is the file?
Okay. File is wawul jamati.
Wow.
Oh, file is home.
Yeah, file is wow.
Wow.
Right? I'm talking about the sign over here. Yeah. How we supposed to describe this file? So this file, this wow, what haraka it is carrying?
Mabni ala sukun fi mahalli rafin.
Yes, it is carrying a sukun, right? So yes. Even we can describe that.
Yes.
And because these damir muttasil, which are the file inbuilt in the in our afal, they are always mabni. They are always mabni. We are not going to see any changes in them, right?
Yes.
So these are always mabni, and then we can say, like we were saying for madi, right? Mabni, and then we were describing mabni form look like what? Is it with dhamma or fatha or sukun or what, right? So same way when you are saying this file is mabni, right? This damir muttasil bariz is mabni. So now mabni by sukun on it.
So we have to say here li ittisali also.
Yeah, because with the fail, the waw is being attached to it, right? Yes. So we can say that. We can say a lot of things, right?
यहाँ पर इस तरह ये भी होता है ना
Yes. लिअन्नहु अफ़ालुल खम्सा, yes. Right? So there are many different ways and we are saying them, right? And then whatever makes you comfortable, you can stick to it. But at least we should know all these terms because you're going to find them in Arabic books, right? So you should be familiar with them. There are many things to say about one fail, right? So this is what we are doing over here.
Can you repeat the era for this one? Is it مضارع فعل مضارع مرفوع بثبوت النون ضمير متصل بارز مبني على السكون فاعله واو الجمع इस तरह कहेंगे आप?
Yes, yeah, exactly, yeah.
And if we have to add the لإتصاله it will be ضمير متصل بارز مبني لإتصاله على السكون. No, sorry.
No, لإتصاله we say with the fail.
Yeah, got it. Okay, sorry, got it. Jazakumullah khairan.
Yeah, for the not, we don't need to say with the file.
Yeah.
Okay, so then يعلمون الناس السحر. We're gonna just leave that alone. Okay, Nas, what kind of word is that?
Ismu jama.
Very good. That's what I wanna hear. Okay, so this is ism jama, right?
Nasun.
What are the other example of ism jama?
Qawmun.
Very good. Qawmun, hizbun, right?
Yes.
What else?
Qarnun.
Fawjun.
Qarnun.
Yeah, so these are all examples. Okay, then wama unsila alal malakaini. Malakaini. What kind of word is malakaini?
Dual.
Dual.
Dual, okay.
Dual.
So if it is dual, then first of all it is ism, right?
Yeah.
No?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Who is saying no?
No, Appa said, that means
Okay.
yes.
Okay. I thought someone has a doubt.
No,
Okay.
it's all.
Yeah, it has al. So this is an ism. Okay. So first of all, it is ism. Then we're gonna say what kind of ism is it? Is it singular, dual, or plural?
It's a dual.
It's a dual. Okay. Now, if it is a dual, so then for ism we need to have all four properties: status, number, gender, type.
Type.
So give me Mehrin.
So the status will be jar, majroor.
Very good.
Because we have ala over there.
Hmm.
Number is dual.
Hmm.
Gender is masculine.
Hmm.
And type is proper noun.
Okay.
Marifa.
Very good. Okay, now you said this is jar, right?
Yeah.
What letter in there is telling you this is jar?
Allah.
Ala, the harf.
No. I'm talking about just malakaini.
Ani and Aini.
Aini is both for jar and nasab. But the context is telling us that because of the ala, the harf ala, it is making that.
Okay. Yeah. I'm saying in al-malakaini, what letter is it this lam telling you?
No.
Or this ya telling you?
Yeah.
Ya with sukun. Ya with sukun.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I say, we used to say ani, aini, right? Ya, noon, both we were taking. But imagine if there is no noon, because sometimes I need to drop this noon.
Yeah.
What is the reason to drop the noon?
Is it mudaf?
Making it
then
light.
we are going to make it mudaf, right? So now how are we gonna see that? Okay, like it is, first of all, it is dual. Second of all, what status it is carrying. So what letter is going to tell me? Ya gonna tell me.
Ya is gonna tell, because if the noon is dropped, the ya is gonna tell.
Okay, so this ya gonna tell us that one thing, or okay, so ya gonna come in plural as well, right? Malakina, right?
Yeah.
So it could be. So how we are going to differentiate? So and for this ya, if we have a fatha,
then it will be dual.
Yeah, and kasra, then it is a plural. One thing. So only this ya is basically telling us that I am either dual or plural. And then fatha and kasra can tell us, right? And this ya is telling status that I am either nasab or jar.
Okay.
When we used to say musli, let's muslimani. What letter is telling me that I am rafa?
Alif.
I am dual.
Alif.
Only alif we're gonna say. Okay, that was when we were little. Now we are topping up our knowledge, right? So noon, we know that noon can be dropped. So now this alif gonna tell me that I am rafa and I am dual. Muslimaini. So
then it would be
Ya with sukun.
Muslimaini. Ya with sukun, but ya with sukun in two ways, right? It could be Muslimina.
Yeah.
Right? So then we need to remember fatha and kasra. And this noon is, we know it can be dropped. So only this ya gonna tell us that I am either dual, right? Or plural even, right? And then fatha and kasra, we can figure it out. And this ya is telling me that I can be either nasab and jar. Okay, so that is.
So Sada, how the Iraq's gonna be for al-Malakain then?
Al-Malakain is jar majroor fragment.
Yeah, no, like for the like how are we gonna describe the ya part that you just told us? Like the ya is showing that it is dual, or we don't have to do all that.
We do, yeah, just for the knowledge I'm telling you guys, right? So breaking it down, right? But you don't have to say it, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so this is a majroor.
All right.
Or we can say the sign of its majroor, the sign of its being jar is this ya, right? If you are explaining to someone, so the sign is basically this ya.
So we cannot take ending sound ani together and aini. Only ya. We have to show only ya.
Yeah, no, the sign of being nasab or jar is basically only ya.
Yeah, okay.
Right, not noon, because we know that noon can be dropped at some point.
Okay.
So then how are we gonna figure it out?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay,
Makes
so
sense.
then, yeah. Bibabila.
Can I explain, Mustafa? Can I say this? Try, I'm trying. Ala is harfu jarin. Al malakaini il ismun majrurun alamatu jarihi al yaw.
Yeah.
And
so
because it is for
malakaini is ism majroor wa ilamat jar, you can say wa ilamat jarrihi. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. The majrur sign is yeah.
وعلامة جره right.
Yeah. wa ilamat jarrihi. Yeah.
Okay.
Because it is in dual musanna.
Yeah. Yeah. Liyannahu
musanna.
Liyannahu musanna. Very good. MashaAllah.
I thought we are saved from that.
Inshallah, you are going to teach, so you should know each and everything inside out of everything, right? So you're not gonna give them at once, but at least teacher should know more than their student, right? Okay, next one. Bibabila Haruta wa Marut.
Because he explained everything, Ustaza, that's why I can tell it.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah. Okay, so Bibabila. What is Bibabila?
B harfuzar. Babi is ism mazrur. Babi.
Yeah, see, its jar status is with fatha. Yeah. So this is mamnu min as-sarf.
Mamnu min as-sarf.
Okay, mamnu min as-sarf mean partly flexible. Okay. So mamnu min as-sarf mean partly flexible and non-flexible. What is the term for non-flexible?
Is
mabni.
Mabni.
Okay, mabni mean like it's not gonna budge. All three rafa nasab jar are same. So that is mabni. But when we say mamnu min as-sarf, that means it is partly flexible. Okay, so it is gonna take for some it's gonna take just dhamma and fatha and no tanween and no kasra. Okay, so that is partly flexible. Then haruta wa marut, right? So haruta wa marut, what status they are carrying over here?
Partly flexible.
Yeah, so what is the status?
On jar, because of the B.
No,
it's a marfu. Harut. No,
Mansub.
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 Yes.
Basically, they are badal for malakaini, I'm thinking, right? So it could be just malakaini, two angels, and then their names are given over here, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so that is basically a badal. And malakaini is jar in status. Right? So that means they should be also jar in status.
उस्तादा बदल हमारे लिए नसब हो गया ना?
हाँ?
बदल नसब में ना होगा।
हाँ, no, badal is matbu, right?
four.
Yeah, badal is not mansoob. It doesn't have to. No, badal is matbu. Matbu mean it is going to follow. So if we are saying this is the basically the badal, so if badal of malakaini is if it is jar, then Harut and Marut gonna taken as a jar as well. I can double check, but this is what I'm thinking.
Yeah, Ustad, the meaning is saying same thing. On the
बदल ही है, बदल
and
अल-मलकैन की बदल ही है।
Yeah, so badal is not supposed to be nasab.
no, badal simply carry the
Badal,
status.
yeah, badal can be, badal is matbu, tabe, right? So badal can be.
In this sentence is Haruta or Maruta. I think it carry fatha.
Yeah, because they are mamnu min as-sarf.
Yes.
They are partly flexible.
Yeah.
So their jar version is with fatha.
No, it will be jar. I don't think so. Because
it is jar, because if we are saying malakaini, it is because it is describing malakain, right? It is like it look like it's a badal for malakain.
So all sentences majrur, Ustaza. Allah malakaini bibabila haruta maruta all.
Yeah, but they do not
Allah.
have, they are not connected with each other. Alal malakaini is one jar majroor fragment.
Yeah.
Right? Bibabila is another jar majroor fragment. Yes. Right? And then Harut, Marut, basically they are, they can be the badal of this malakain.
Okay.
Okay, next one. Wama yu'allimani min ahadin. Okay, yu'allimani. Do we see any pronoun in here?
Yes.
Alif.
Alif.
Very good. Right? So this alif is a, what kind of pronoun is this alif?
Alif al-Ithnain.
Dual.
Ithnain.
Say everything about this alif.
Failun mudari.
Marfu.
No, not
Dual.
failun. Just talking about this alif.
يعلمان, this the ism.
No, it's a
فعل
fail.
مبني على السكون في محل رفع.
So this is
ضمير بارز متصل.
Very good. This is what I wanna hear. Say it again, Reshma.
ضمير بارز متصل. ألف مبني على السكون في محل رفع.
Very good. I'm just talking about this alif, this file over here. Okay, everyone? And if we are describing the whole yu'allimani, then what we need to say?
So file is...
No, now whole thing.
Okay. Mabni ala
no.
alif.
Failun.
Failun mudariun. Marfun bil alif.
No.
No.
Alamati
rafihi al alif.
No.
Domirun muttasilun.
Say it again. Failun.
Failun mudariun. Marfun.
Bisabuti.
Bisabuti nuni. Fa'iluhu domirun alifu. Domirun muttasilun mabni ala sukun.
The file is damir muttasil baris, right?
Baris.
Bring all that stuff over here.
Baris. Mabni ala sukun. So I have to say fi mahali rafin.
Yes, fi mahali rafa, because it's not showing us that this is rafa.
Yes.
Right?
So then I am telling on once again. Failun mudariun marfun bisabuti nuni fa'iluhu alif domirun muttasilun mabni ala sukun fi mahali rafin.
Damir muttasil baris.
Damir muttasil baris. I have to practice Ustaza.
Mabni ala sukun.
Mabni ala sukun fi mahali rafin.
Ustaza, so there will be like after bisabuti nun, it will be like fa'iluhu alif ithnain, right?
Yes, you can say Fa'iluhu alifu isnain, and then you are further describing this alifu isnain, right? So this alifu isnain is damir muttasil bariz, right?
بارز مبني على السكون في محل رفع.
Perfect, yes.
Okay.
Okay, so min ahadin hatta yaqula. Now, what do we know about this hatta and what's going on over here?
It is a zarf.
Can I start?
Zarf? Hatta is
No,
Harfu jar.
Harfu nasiba.
Yeah, hatta could be harfu jar or harfu nasiba tul mudariya, right? So which one is it? Which one is it?
इसम के साथ jar, right? And मुदारे के साथ नासिबा.
Exactly. Right? So when it's gonna be with the ism after it, so then obviously this is a harfu jar. And it is going to make next ism majroor. But when it is coming with the fail, then this is nasibatul mudariya. Right? So that's why, what do we see? What change do we see in the next fail?
Yaqulu, yaqula.
So,
Noon is missing. Noon has been dropped.
Noon dropped.
Yeah. So can someone say the whole thing? Failun.
Mudariun. Mansubun. Bil.
Bihasbi nun.
Bihasbi nun.
Yes. Bihazfi nun. So failun, mudariun, mansubun, bihazfi nun. And then we can describe the file. Now someone need to describe the file. Where is the file?
File is wow.
Yeah, okay, Marin, go ahead.
Isn't it Alif Isnain?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I thought he said wow. So it's gonna be Fa'iluhu Alif Isnain, Zamir Muttasil Bariz Mabni ala Sukun fi Mahl Rafa.
Perfect.
Okay, good.
Okay, so this is Mansoob over here. And this alif is the file. Okay. Innama nahnu fitnatun fala takfur. I think this is good practice, right?
Very good practice. Very good.
Alhamdulillah. So we got the idea. We see alif isnain, wawul jama, and mustatir. So I'm not gonna take more time from our class. So let's move on. Now, what else we were supposed to talk about is, so the mere attached pronoun rafa version, right? So what are the letters can represent its rafa version, right? In madis we know taul file. There are many taul file, right? Alifu isnain we can see in madi mudariya both. All these huma versions, right? Wawul jama we can see them, right? Yaul mukhatiba. Can we see yaul mukhatiba in madi? No. So this yaul mukhataba only in mudariya. And
no niswa.
Also.
What?
Also? We don't have nunu niswa in madi?
No, we do.
Yeah.
Katabna.
Yeah, exactly. So nunu niswa, basically all of them can be in madi except yaul mukhatiba. Yaul mukhatiba is the only extra which is going to found only in mudariya, right?
Yeah.
The rest we can see both in madi and mudariya. Then when it comes to attached pronoun nasab and jar version, so then ya mutakallim, we see that ya mutakallim gonna be in the form of ni when it is nasab. Nasara ni. When it is with ism, ismu inna, basically this nunu wakaya, this is what we are talking about, seeing over here, nunul wakaya. What is Nunul Wakaya?
The noon that which comes due to Jaya Mutakallim.
Which saves something, right? What it is saying is saving. It's saving this Nasara to go under any change, because Nasara mean he helped. And when I am gonna say he helped me, right? And if I have to just add Ya Mutakallim over here, what gonna happen to the letter over here?
या रा का
It will
एराब
become
बदल जाएगा,
kasra. It will
नसरी
become
हो
ये
सकता
kasra.
था.
ये तो change करना पड़ेगा हमें, right? We have to bring this kasra over here,
Kasra. Yeah.
and then it's not gonna look like fi'l madi anymore,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
that's why this noon came.
Okay.
That's why this noon came, right, to save this fail over here. So that is why this noon is called Nunul Wakaya.
It's a protection, Ustaz. Protection.
Yeah, it's the noon that is protecting the fail.
Only with fail in Isma, noon will not come. Rabbi.
Yeah, but it can come with Ismu Inna. Okay, so Inna, and sometimes you see Innani, right? What is this ni? When we say Innani?
Yeah, noon Wakaya. Inna plus ni.
Yeah. So sometimes we gonna see this Nunul Wakaya, and sometimes we don't see it. But we can attach to Ismu Inna and its sisters. Then this this Ya Mutakallim, because this Ya Mutakallim is a little tricky, and we will see more example. So when it is Majroor, we say Kita B, right?
Yeah.
So nothing is coming, we are just adding Ya Mutakallim over here. And then with Jar Majroor Li. So this is basically about Ya Mutakallim, right? So with the fail, when it is being Mafulun Bihi, right? So then we're gonna see Nunul Wakaya coming with it. Secondly, we can see Nunul Wakaya with Ismu Inna and its sisters, and the rest Majroor form or with the harf, it's fine. Then Kaul Khatab, what we are talking this Kaul Khatab over here, what is that?
Second person का काम था.
Yes, second person, right? Anta, we have Ka over here. So this Ka has a name.
Okay.
Ka kumakum, ki kumakunna. Right? And one more interesting thing over here. When I say Ka, this is Kaful Khatab. When I say Kuma or Kum, right? Then Ki, Kuma, and Kunna. So the pronoun is basically this only Ka. This Ka is Kaul Khatab. In Kuma,
Mim is Mim Mad and Alif is 9.
Exactly. Okay. So in Kuma, if I ask you which one is the attached pronoun,
Ka.
Right? You're gonna say Ka is the attached pronoun. Meme is just came because without meme we cannot have alif with it.
Imad.
Yes. So this is Mimul Imad. And this then what is telling me that this is two second person plural this alif. Alif
is 9.
Subhanallah, right?
Okay, got it.
And now in Kum, Mehreen, you break it down. Kum.
So kaf is gonna be the pronoun.
Kaful Khitab.
Kaful Khitab is gonna be the pronoun, and then Meme Sakin is telling us that this is a home version.
Home or Antum?
I mean, sorry, Antum. Antum, sorry.
This, we're gonna say this meme is the Jama.
Alamat Jama Mazkur.
Oh,
Az-Zakur.
Yes,
okay, so I didn't know that. Okay, Lil Jamal. Okay,
Zakur.
got it.
So this meme is telling me that I am plural.
Okay.
Like this alif tells us that I am dual.
Dual. Okay.
So meme tells that I am plural.
Az-Zakur is for the Muzakkar, right, Ustada?
Yes, yeah. Or you can say Lijama Muzakkar. If you don't want to say Zakur, you can just say Lijama Muzakkar. Okay, then key same, right? This key is Kaful Khitab, and this Kasra is telling us this is Anti. Kuma, same breakdown. Kaf is the Kaful Khitab, and then Mim is Imad, and Alif is Alif with name. Now in Kunna.
So Kaf is going to be Kaful Khitab.
Yes, and
the Noon Shadda is tell us Lil Jama Muannas.
Very good. Li Jama Inas or Li Jama Muannas. Very good.
Okay.
See, they are all connected. When we know one thing, Alhamdulillah, we can figure out the other thing. So Li Jama Inas. Lil Inas or you can just say Muannas. Li Jama Muannas.
काफुल खिताब है या खताब है?
We say Nasaraka. He helped you. So the one he helped you. So I am talking to you, right? Khitab, I think. Kaful Khitab. So, yeah, because the one I am talking to
is your mukhatib, so it is khitab.
Yeah,
mukhatiba, the one who talks, mukhatiba.
Yeah, but over here this kaf, kafil, we will not say mukhataba, rather we're gonna say khitab, kaful khitab. Okay, so that, and then another interesting thing is ha. Now you guys can guess very easily. So when we say huwa, huma, whom, right? Here, huma, hunna, same idea. Only this ha is a damir muttasil. Okay, so this ha is the only not damir muttasil if we are talking about the dependent one, munfasil one. So this ha is basically a damir, right? And it has a name, it's called haul ghaib. So basically we are talking about third person. So this ha is third person pronoun. And then same, this ha is third person, haul ghaib. Mim is imad, alif is alifu isnain. Okay. Hum, same, this ha is haul ghaib. This is the pronoun, and mim is li jama muzakkar or li jama az-zukur. Okay, then here again ha is only haul ghaib, and this ya is differentiating between masculine and feminine.
Okay.
And hunna, same, ha is haul ghaib, and noon is noonun niswa, telling us that this is li jama muannas. Interesting, right?
Yeah, we didn't know that.
Now you know.
हमने तो सिर्फ हुआ हुमा हुम याद किया था.
Ustaza, so fine. So fine. And very, very interesting.
Alhamdulillah. Then we also have something about na, which is very interesting. I think that we're gonna keep it for next class.
Ustada, I have a question on that. Hua.
Hmm?
So Ha we are taking as a ghaib. Ghaib. So ha is also showing us the status, or waw is showing the status in here. Which letter are we taking to show the status?
This independent pronoun, they are always rafa, right?
Rafa, they're always
So
Rafa.
they don't have nasab or jar version anyway, right? And when we have attached pronoun, right? So then it is basically whatever gonna come before it gonna tell us the status of them.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is basically the damir in it. When we say huwa, the damir is only haul ghaib over here.
Okay.
And waw came. Why waw need to come here?
To protect it?
Because of dhamma.
Yeah, okay.
Right? Because of dhamma. How are we gonna say it if we don't have dhamma? It's gonna end up like that then it look like attached pronoun.
Yeah. Okay.
तो फिर मुअन्नस के लिए भी इसीलिए या आया क्योंकि यहाँ पर कसरा था.
Exactly. Very good, mashallah. Yeah.
And here also meme, ha is there, and meme is all meme, and alif is the alif is alif is 9, and
yeah. Then meme is just came to
protecting them.
Yeah, to protect, because otherwise it's not possible to say even.
Okay.
Right? So we cannot pronounce dhamma and then alif. How are we gonna pronounce it? Yeah. So meme came just to make it possible to pronounce. Yeah. That's why it's called mimul imad. Meme. Mimul imad. Imad means pillar. So this is the pillar.
Pillar. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I think that is good enough for today. Enough brain juice, inshallah. Next time we're gonna talk about the Mir Munfasil and interesting thing about Iya, inshallah. So that is our next class. And what is the homework? Homework is
the paragraph you left behind. Yeah, this one.
So homework is that we need to do the whole ayah of it. Okay, so you're gonna explain the file, right? The Mir Muttasil, what kind of the Mir Muttasil, or what do we see, you see, right? So you need to describe the way we were doing in the class. Mehreen, can you take a screenshot?
Yes, sir.
And share as a homework.
Okay, inshallah. Okay.
Yeah, so with that we can end our session. Barakallahu li wa lakum fil Quranil Hakim wa nafani wa iyyakum bi ayati wa zikril hakim. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifuna wa salamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
Jazakallahu khairan.
Which surah